So here we are down the flying field again with the 70mm EDF SkySword from HobbyKing.com. I think we showed last time in the first video, the maiden flight, that it flies out of a small flying field like this off grass with the stock power system. Absolutely no problem as long as you've got the CG set, and the CG has to be at least as far back as the back of this opening here. Then it should pop the wheel up quite easily and climb out of that. So I thought this time do something a bit different. We're going to try and see how aerobatic it is this time. It's a very strange or very different shaped jet, so I'm quite intrigued as to knife edge performance, rolls and all that type of stuff, how well it would do that. What I've also done to add a level of complexity is put my run cam on the back for the onboard view. So first of all, I'm hoping I get in the air with that extra bit of weight on the tail, but if anything it should help the CG a little bit. So here we go, let's give it a go. Did you get that?
Yeah, just about.
it snapped out of that. Whoa, that wasn't good. So I was enjoying myself too much there, totally my fault, and I detected that I was running out of power. I was on full power but not getting a lot of thrust. So I made a short turn to land uphill and ran into the bush, the long grass there, but I don't think any harm done. No harm done. We'll check everything and then we'll fly again, try that again, but that was okay. One really dicey moment when I came low and I pulled hard on the elevator for a tight turn and it kind of snapped out of that, so maybe be wary in that, but otherwise rolls and were okay. Axial, used a lot of elevator on the inverted. Loops had to shallow dive to get the speed and the momentum to carry that energy through to the top of the loop and then power off on the other side on coming down, but otherwise really good. So look it up on HobbyKing.com. the link is in the video description for this video. Thanks for watching. You might want to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The link is in the bottom left or in the top right in the last 20 seconds of the video. You might want to join our Facebook group for news, reviews and the occasional free giveaway. But thanks for watching this one. See you next time.